Imagine turning your computer on and it feels like someone else is controlling it. Pop-ups everywhere. It is slow and nothing works. That is the sinking feeling. That means your PC is hijacked by malware. But don't panic. I'm about to show you how to fix it, and actually how, even if your antivirus is blocked, you can easily fix it in a matter of minutes. First restart your PC. Go to the bottom left and then click Restart your PC. When your PC is reloading, keep tapping F8 until you see Advanced Boot Options. Then, on Advanced Boot Options, select Safe Mode with Networking. This boots Windows only with the essentials, so no viruses can run. Now press the Windows key and R and type MRT, then click Enter. This opens a Microsoft hidden malicious software removal tool built into every Windows computer. Most people do not even know it exists. Choose. Now click Next and choose a full scan and let it run. It may take a long time, but it will dig deep and remove even the strongest malware that locks down your system. When it is finished, restart as normal, then you will feel instant relief. Your PC is finally clean and safe again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.